Many of our followers getting big opportunities with a high number of salary, but they are not focusing on their relieving letter concept. You must have relieving letter, okay, there is no doubt on that, but you need to relate your relieving letter with another two parameters which is highly focused in the background verification concept in current days. Okay, take your relieving letter. Honestly speaking, before raising the resignation, before initiating the resignation in your current organization exit portal, take your relief letter, relate your relieving letter with two parameters. The first one is UAN number. Check your relieving letter, check your company name, start date and end date, relate it to your UAN number. Parallelly, check your Form 26AS. Most of the big MNCs not depending on manpower in order to do the background verification process. They are depending on applications, websites and app. An app will do the verification based on these three parameters. Especially Form 26AS will fetch all your past work experience perfectly. Okay, I hope already I clearly explained about Form 26AS. Okay, if you don't have clear picture on that, Form 26AS is the report which will give you the clear information of tax deduction, where you worked, which employer debited or credited salary based on your PAN number. Okay, so relieving letter, Form 26AS and UAN number, service history, all these three parameters should be in same line. Okay, so before raising the resignation, please check these three parameters. So if everything perfect, your background verification will go positive direction. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.